you mention social media, it has also been
A challenge?
a challenge, a great challenge
Exactly.
for press
Disinformation.
freedom, disinformation, misinformation, malinformation, the
Yeah,
three
fake
kinds of
news.
information. Ako ayoko yung fake news kasi
You don't use fake news.
news should always be correct
Truth.
and truthful.
Yes.
So I'd rather na we call it in their proper names, no? So it's either
Disinformation.
disinformation, malinformation, or misinformation.
Prof, can you please explain to our viewers the differences or compare the three keywords?
Yeah, so yung three types of information
malinformation.
disorder. So kung misinformation, nag-share ka lang ng maling balita pero wala kang intention manakit. So mali, walang intention.
Kumbaga, prinsipyo mo lang, naniniwala ka doon.
Or nagkamali ka lang talaga.
Okay.
Gumising ka today, nag-check ka ng walang pasok, hashtag. Tapos nakita mo pala 5 years ago. Pero na-share mo ka agad kasi na-excited ka, walang pasok. So you're misinformed. Disinformation, mali at may intention.
Ikaw mismo ang
Gusto mo talagang manakit. Merong intent to harm. Pumasok ka sa sinihan, sumigaw ka ng sunog. Kahit na alam mo na pwede magka-stampede pag nagkaroon ng stress yung mga tao doon dahil may sunog. So that's a very simple example of disinformation.
Yeah.
Or nagpakalat ka ng maling balita kahit na alam mo itutumba nun ang stocks mo. Or babagsak ang peso because of your false information. Malinformation, ito yung medyo mahirap hulihin. Kasi ito ay mayroong katotohanan pero may intent to harm.
Ginamit mo para manira ng tao.
Ginamit
yung isang dokumento.
So, for example, pwede kasi siyang out of context. Parang yung sinabi mo kanina, 1 oras yung video, pero 5 minutes lang yung ginamit mo. Tapos yung importante pala andun sa 55 minutes. So, naiba na yung kwento dahil hindi mo binuo. Ang classic example ko dyan, 2. Dahil para naman tayong adults, I will give 2 examples. So, one is sexual, one is biblical. So, I'll start with the biblical. The first casualty of malinformation for me is Eve. Because sinabi ng snake sa kanya, you eat the apple, you gain wisdom. Pero hindi kompleto. Kasi kung sinabi ng snake na you also get kicked out of the garden, baka nagdalawang isip si Eve. Kasi kompleto yung information niya.
Yeah.